Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you all how to make black gold in our home itself with vegetable peels and fruit peels. Here is my black gold which I made with my vegetable peels and fruit peels after collecting for 3 months and doing the process. So to do the process, what we have to do is we have to cut all our vegetable peels and fruit peels into small pieces. Here are my apple and mango peels. And what I have done is for my vegetable peels, I added dried leaves. So, dried leaves are carbons, and vegetable and fruit peels are like my greens. So, we can add fruit peels and vegetable peels, but not any milk products to compost. So, add them into cut vegetables into small pieces so that compost process will be easy. Now mix all these dried leaves and some old soil which is not healthy, and mix vegetable peels with that and turn them around so that all greens will get some browns to them, and add little bit of water. So this soil is after like 1 month which I added earlier. Now if you see here, it is like almost like 40 to 50% completed. To make compost, what we have to do is we have to make sure that we have amount of nitrogen and carbon correctly. Nitrogen are green leaves, vegetable peels, fruit peels, and carbon is like cardboards, dried leaves, and then any brown color items. So to make compost, what I did is I take a bin and made holes all sides to get aeration. Once we have equal amount of nitrogen, carbon and water and air, and if we have to cover this bin, I covered with some cardboard paper, not with any plastic lid or anything. I just covered with some cardboard paper and keep turning this every 10 days once, and add water as water will get evaporated, because when compost is happening it will be the process, it will generate little bit of heat, so water will get evaporated. And if you see here, I added everything, even I added my corn things also. And I am trying to show you all earthworms, because in this compost we can see nice earthworms. After 3 to 4 months of compost generation time, within 1 month itself we can see nice earthworms generated in the compost. We have to remember not to add any milk products and dairy products to the compost. So if you see here, I am trying to show you the earthworms which get produced in my compost. There will be so many at the bottom, and they will make our compost process so quick and healthy. As I said, keep checking water levels and turn every 10 days once. Add water and make sure that you get nice aeration also. So what I did is, after 3 months, I collected my soil into pots and I added little bit of old soil, because as this compost is so healthy, if I put my plants in those pots with that healthy soil, they will die. So I added old soil. So here is how I made my final compost. Thank you all. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.